Now next and the last reaction of alkyl halide, that is reaction with active metals. Already we have discussed this point. Same point is given here. No any change. So it is given that alkyl halide reacts with metals like sodium, magnesium and cadmium, and we get corresponding substance. That substance obtained is called as organometallic compound. What is organometallic compound? Organometallic compound means organic compound having metal in it. But one important thing, there should be a direct bond between metal and carbon. Then only that organic substance is organometallic compound. Is this clear? Metal and carbon should have direct bond. Then only that substance is organometallic substance. First reaction is shown with magnesium. In 11th also we studied this reaction, that is formation of Grignard's reagent. Simple, alkyl halide reacts with Mg in presence of dry ether. We get RMgX. We call this as alkyl magnesium halide. If it is CH3Br plus Mg, in presence of dry ether we will get CH3MgBr, methyl magnesium bromide. We call it as Grignard's reagent. Now in this Grignard's reagent, I told you that this Mg is highly electropositive. So it donates its electron to its neighbors. One neighbor is halogen and other neighbor is R. So R gets electrons from Mg. So here carbon in the Grignard's reagent has negative polarity and it acts as nucleophile. If it is nucleophile, then it reacts with positive ion. It is nucleophile means it is negatively charged. So always it is in search of positive ion. So when it reacts with the substances like methanol and ammonia, then it is converted into corresponding alkane. See what is given. Grignard's reagents are very reactive compounds. They react with water. This reaction we discussed last year in the preparation of alkanes, right? Grignard's reagent and water we get alkane. So here they react with water or the compounds containing hydrogen attached to electronegative atom. See here hydrogen is there and it is attached to oxygen which is highly electronegative. In ammonia, hydrogen is there and it is attached to electronegative nitrogen. So in that case, R minus pulls its H plus ion. So this R and H combine to form RH and we get the byproduct as MgX, and this remaining group is attached to Mg as OCH3. Same is found in this case. We get RH plus MgX NH2, and the reaction which we studied last year is RMgX plus HOH. It gives RH plus MgOHX. So Grignard's reagent reacts with water or alcohol or ammonia to form alkane. In this reaction, remember, R comes from Grignard's reagent and H comes from these substances, alcohol, water and ammonia. R of alcohol is not involved in the formation of hydrocarbon. Note this point. What I mean to say, suppose they have given starting substance as C2H5MgBr and it is treated with methanol. So the product will be C2H6. Grignard's reagent contains ethyl group, so we will get ethane, though methyl group is present in alcohol. Is this clear? So R of Grignard's reagent and H of this substance having electronegative atom. Okay, they combine to form hydrocarbon. Okay, you all are knowing this fact that this Grignard's reagent is named so because this was discovered by scientist Victor Grignard. I told you that this scientist won Nobel Prize in the discovery of this reagent. It is very versatile reagent. It's very important organic reagent. With the help of Grignard's reagent, we can prepare many different substances. In our basic reactions, we studied all reactions of Grignard's reagent. So with the help of Grignard's reagent, we can prepare primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol, aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, and so many things. One more point they have given, not only alkyl halides, besides alkyl halides, vinyl and aryl halides can form Grignard's reagent. Vinyl means what? Doubly bonded. CH double bond CH, X. X is replaced X and Mg. Mg is added between carbon and halogen. So this is vinyl Grignard's reagent, and this is aryl halide, PHCl, or benzene ring attached to Cl. It reacts with Mg and it forms PHMG. These are examples of Grignard's reagent which are formed by vinyl halide and aryl halide. Okay, so this is first reaction, that is action of Mg on alkyl halide. Now the second reaction, that is Wood's reaction. We have studied this reaction also in 11th. Okay, they have given, refer standard 11 chemistry textbook. Okay, in previously recorded lecture also I have explained you this reaction. Simple, lower alkyl halide react to form higher alkane. Example, C2H5Br reacts with sodium metal in ether, we get C2H5, C2H5. Generally symmetrical alkanes are obtained by this method, and it is given that if we use two different alkyl halides, we get three different alkanes. For example, CH3Br, C2H5Br, and they are treated with Na. I told you one example. Na gives one party, and that Na invites CH3Br and this C2H5Br to that party. So if we take 1 mole of CH3Br, means we have Avogadro number of molecules in it, right? So there is lot of crowd. So these two CH3Br come together to meet this Na, and they give gift to this Na. And what is its gift? Is Br. So always NaBr is the byproduct. Do you remember? In this way only I have explained you this reaction in our class. So this CH3. So which substance comes back? CH3CH. CH3CH3. After giving Br to this Na, the group left behind is CH3CH3. Same here. C2H5Br, C2H5Br. Give gift Br to this Na, and the group which comes back is C2H5, C2H5. At last CH3Br and C2H5Br, they react with Na and they form CH3, C2H5, that is propane. So here we get three different substances. I told you in the previous recorded lecture that CH3Br and CH3Br, that is self-coupling. C2H5Br, C2H5Br undergo self-coupling, and CH3Br and C2H5Br undergo cross-coupling to form this propane. In short, two different alkyl halides react to form three different alkanes when treated with Na. And what's the drawback? Methane is not obtained by this method. Now next point, that is reactions of haloarenes. Here also very small point, that is haloarenes and metals. So we have just now discussed Wood's reaction. See, what do we do in Wood's reaction? Two alkyl halides are taken and we get alkane. If instead of alkyl halide we start reaction with two aryl halides, then we get two aromatic rings connected to each other. See this reaction. Chlorobenzene reacts with Na, 2-chlorobenzene obviously. So this Na and Cl, they combine. So valency of this carbon becomes free. So these two benzene rings are connected to each other and we get biphenyl, or we also call it as diphenyl, plus NaCl. So when two aryl halides react to form diphenyl, or reaction similar to Wood's, that reaction was discovered by scientist Fittig, so it is named as Fittig's reaction. And one more reaction, that is CH3Br is treated with bromobenzene in presence of Na and dry ether, we get methyl benzene, that is toluene. Means here we have started with one aryl halide and one alkyl halide, and we get alkyl benzene. So it's a combination of both Wood's reaction and Fittig reaction. So this reaction is called as Wood's Fittig reaction. Is this clear? So what are these reactions with metal? So alkyl halide plus Na, we get RR, Wood's reaction. Aryl halide plus Na, we get AR, Fittig reaction. And aryl halide and alkyl halide react with Na, we get alkyl benzene, combination of two, that is Wood's fatigue reaction.